I am super excited, guys, because this has just arrived, and I know it's from my good friends, the Cornish Hamper and Gift Company. I've got to get this. And they have sent me their new pasties to try, but these aren't any pasties. You'll see in a minute, hopefully. Ooh. Because these are very special indeed. And I can get them out, just bear with me. Right, there we go. So this is how they come packed. Okay, if you're thinking of getting any of these. And they're in their insulated bags. You can chuck that on the floor. I'm going to get this one out. Now this, I assume, is one pasty. Yep, you heard me right. In that bag, that's one pasty. And then if we dig down here, there's the second one. I've had to take them out of the box. I'm not cooking these right now, but I'm so excited. I just wanted to show you these straight away because they are very special. Let's get these open. I'm just going to get a chopping board, so I'm going to get them on there. I can't believe how big these are. Right, here we go. Let's get in there. I'm just going to show you these because they're going straight in the fridge, and then I'm going to be cooking these tomorrow. Now this is a big boy, 1 kilo steak pasty, okay? 2 hands, it's bigger than 2 of my hands. It's massive. Now I'm going to put these straight in the basket. So if you want to grab these for yourself, buy them as gifts, Father's Days, birthdays, parties, anything like that. But this would feed 4 people, okay? They are absolutely massive. If you want to grab them, I'm going to put them in the basket because I've got a feeling these are going to sell out. So if you want to grab some, tap the other basket right there, right now. Place your order. They'll be winging their way to you ASAP. And I mean very fast delivery. They look like they're going to be amazing. Come back tomorrow when I'll be cooking one of these big boys for dinner tomorrow. But in the meantime, if you want to grab them, tap the other basket right there, right now, and get your order in today. These are absolutely massive, and they're going to be absolutely delicious.